In this time I will show you how to make adorable flower with puff stitches. The petals was made in Tunisian crochet technique. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Make 19 double crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. I'm about to complete this round. I have done 19 double crochet, and let's complete this round. Work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Begin the next round. Let's make the picot. Make a chain for this. Then chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The picot is ready. Then slip stitch into the next stitch, chain, then chain 3 for the picot, and make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Continue slip stitch into the next stitch, chain of 4, and work a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and so on. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the slip stitch by working a slip stitch. Chain to bring up the yarn, then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We skip 3 stitches. Insert the hook from the back to the front around the 4th stitch. Make back post single crochet. Then chain of 4. We skip 3 stitches. And make back post single crochet around the 4th stitch. Chain of 4. We skip 3 stitches and back post single crochet around the 4th stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round. I chain in the last one. We skip 3 stitches. Insert the hook around the chain Make back post single crochet, make a slip stitch into the chain stitch. Here what we have, I have done a round of chain spaces. Let's begin the petals. Make slip stitch into the chain space, then chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to work with double crochet stitches. In the same time I use Tunisian crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet, not finish. 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 Insert the hook into the chain space and pull up a loop. As you can see, I did double crochet stitches not finished. Then yarn over the hook, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Here what we have, the first row is ready. Then chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Then I'm going to work with puff stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook except the last one. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch and make double crochet, not finish. Then double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, then double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, then insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, pull through 2 loops till the end of this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Here what we have. Let's make the third row. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, then make double crochet. I do not finish the stitch. Make puff stitch into the next stitch, yarn over pull up a loop through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook except the last one, then yarn over, make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, double crochet, not finish into the next stitch, here what we have, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Begin the 4th row, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, make double crochet, not finish, make double crochet, not finish the second time, and make puff stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over the hook, pull through except the last one, and double crochet, not finish into the next stitch. Then double crochet, not finish, then double crochet, not finish, and pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Let's make the 5th row, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, make double crochet, not finish, here what we have, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops at once. The first petal of the flower is made. Then I'm going to work with slip stitches on this side. Make slip stitches. Then insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. The first petal is ready. Now we continue the work. Begin the next petal. Make a slip stitch into the chain space, then chain of 9, count the 4 stitch, 1 2 3 4, make double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. I do not finish the stitch, and continue working as we did before. As you can see, I'm making double crochet, not finish, into the 8th chain stitch. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The first row is ready. Then you should continue the same way as I showed you before. I'm about to complete this round. I complete the 5th petal. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make a slip stitch. And to complete this work, insert the hook into the first slip stitch of the 1st petal and make a slip stitch. I have already cut off the yarn and the flower is ready. We have got 5 petal flower. Today we have learned how to make beautiful 5 petal flower. We invite you to visit our store Rachel Boutique. Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish handmade clothing studio by Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing the ready clothes offered, you are more than welcome to order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you with love. Thanks for watching.